Hey, here's a little life hack for you. How to make it to where your toilet seat never breaks again. See that right there? Okay, that's from leaning on that side and no support around here at all. Same thing on this side, and these things break a lot because there's no support all in here. So you get some of these, or you might have some. They're little stickies that go on the bottom of legs. You know, it doesn't cost you a thing if you already have them from some project, and you put them in between, two up front, one there in between these to give it support. So when you're leaning on that, when you're sitting, leaning this way, it's not putting tension on anything, and you know the back is going to survive too. So this isn't going to happen, which can actually pinch your rear end pretty good. That's why they put tape on it. So hey, try it out. If you have a brand new one, get some of these things, put them on the bottom, and it has to be about the same height as these, and it'll work just fine. Hey, subscribe, see a whole lot more. Bye.